My name is Andrea Tori Balsara, and I'm an author and illustrator for young children all the way up to young adults. I wanted to share with you something that I've been working on. It's a project that I've started that I've called the Unity Kids Club. And the Unity Kids Club is basically a club that every single kid on the planet belongs to, because kids already know from the very get-go that friends come in all colors, shapes, and sizes. Kids are open. They are open to love. They need love. They need that connection. And it's as people grow and they start being taught prejudices that we start finding all of these barriers coming up. So many years ago, as a member of the Baha'i faith, I offered virtue classes to kids in the neighborhood. And they could be kids from any faith background or from no faith background. And we all got together and we sang songs and we learned things and we told stories. And we learned about virtues, specific virtues. And it was a wonderful experience, because what I found was that not only did it help the kids, it helped me. I started to, in my interactions with my own children, I started to catch them being good. So instead of noticing their quote unquote bad behavior, I would notice, oh, wow, you're really showing the virtue of generosity. That's wonderful. Or you're really showing the virtue of honesty. How wonderful that you're doing that. And so it started to shift the tone in our relationship to one that was very positive. And I think that there is a real need for that today, not just for kids, but especially for adults. There is a real divisiveness out there in the world right now. And at the very same time, there is a drive toward unifying humanity. Those polarizing elements are there. And we get to decide what part we're going to be involved in. Are we going to be part of a divided humanity that fights against itself, that sees an us and a them, and we're at war with each other? Or will we choose to be part of the unifying force? We can choose to be part of that. And with these virtue coloring pages, or the Unity Kids Club coloring pages, we can start to have conversations with our children that start elevating the conversation, that start them thinking about how they themselves can be peacemakers, how they themselves can be friends with other people, how they can interact in positive ways that help the world. So I hope that you will go to my website, which is www.toribalsara.com, and download some of those Unity Kids Club virtue coloring pages. And I've added little conversation starter questions on each page. And I hope that will start to help generate elevating conversations for you and the young people in your life. Thanks for watching. Take care.